After the dinosaurs vanished, mammals began expanding into ecological worlds once dominated by giants. Tiny Purgatorius lived among ancient forests, representing an early branch of the primate lineage. Ptilodus climbed ancient trees efficiently, using its long tail for balance and powerful incisors. Taeniolabis was a powerful plant-eating mammal, using strong teeth to uncover nutritious underground foods. Coryphodon thrived in wet forests, using its massive body and tusks while feeding near swamps. Pantolambda became one of the larger herbivorous mammals, flourishing in Paleocene forests and wetlands. Mesonyx prowled Paleocene landscapes. It represents a remarkable predatory lineage. They are distantly related to modern whales. Arctocyon explored Paleocene forests as a powerful omnivore, hunting small prey and consuming plants. Dissacus was an agile predator, navigating Paleocene forests while tracking smaller mammals through dense vegetation. Ancalagon represented one of the larger mesonychids, combining powerful jaws with an imposing body. Phenacodus was an early hoofed mammal, browsing through forests before modern ungulates evolved. Carpolestes climbed among branches, revealing early adaptations that would become important for primate evolution. Uintatherium was an enormous herbivore, carrying strange skull structures and powerful tusks through Eocene forests. Titanoboa dominated tropical waterways, becoming one of the largest snakes ever known. Borealosuchus patrolled warm Paleocene rivers, ambushing prey from shallow water with powerful jaws.
Carbonemus carried an enormous shell, moving through tropical waterways with surprising strength and endurance.
Bisonalveus remained small and agile, exploiting insects and hidden food beneath Paleocene forest debris. Similestes survived by remaining small, agile, and adaptable within the rapidly changing Paleocene forests. Onychodectes represented early herbivorous mammals, exploring new plant-rich habitats after dinosaur dominance ended. Pakicetus lived mostly on land, representing an early evolutionary step toward modern whales. Ambulocetus could swim and walk, revealing how early whales gradually adapted to aquatic life. Basilosaurus became a giant marine predator, ruling warm Eocene seas with powerful jaws. Daeodon was a smaller ancient whale, swimming efficiently beside larger predators in warm Eocene oceans. Indohyus spent time near water, revealing adaptations linking terrestrial mammals with the emerging whales. Hyaenodon was tiny. Compared with modern horses, living among dense Eocene forests and undergrowth. Phiomia was a larger early proboscidean, carrying primitive tusks and a short, flexible trunk. Mueratherium was an early elephant relative, spending much of its life around wetlands. Andrewsarchus was enormous, but scientists still debate whether it primarily hunted, scavenged, or both. Nithoctus climbed through forests with grasping hands and feet, resembling early lemur-like primates. Apheliscus represented the diverse herbivorous mammals, flourishing throughout warm Eocene woodland environments. Uintatherium dominated Eocene forests with massive bodies, strange skull ornaments, and formidable tusks. Gastornis towered above the forest floor, carrying a massive beak and powerful legs. Hesperocyon represented an early canid lineage, long before wolves and modern dogs evolved. Paraceratherium became one of Earth's largest land mammals, towering above Oligocene landscapes. Hyaenodon was a formidable predator, using powerful jaws to dominate Oligocene terrestrial ecosystems. Daeodon was a giant omnivore, combining formidable jaws with remarkable strength and adaptability. Entelodon was a powerful omnivore, using massive jaws to exploit many available food sources. Eusmilus carried enormous saber-like canines, relying on stealth to approach prey through dense vegetation. Arsinoitherium carried enormous paired horns, browsing through lush wetlands of ancient North Africa.
Miohippus adapted to more open habitats, carrying evolutionary features increasingly familiar in later horses.
Poibratherium was an early camel relative, already adapted to walking across dry Oligocene landscapes. Aegyptopithecus was an early anthropoid, offering clues about the origins of later primates' diversity. Apidium was a small, agile primate, moving through trees while feeding heavily on fruit. Eomeropus browsed through ancient forests, representing another unusual branch of Paleogene herbivore evolution. Chalicotherium used enormous clawed forelimbs to reach vegetation unavailable to many competing herbivores. Protocerus developed distinctive skull projections, displaying the remarkable diversity of Oligocene herbivorous mammals. Dinohyus was a formidable giant entelodont, exploiting roots, plants, carrion, and other food sources. Dinogalerix became an enormous insectivore, showing how island environments could reshape mammalian evolution.
Thank you for exploring the Paleogene with us. The story of life continues beyond.